Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the frame rate of your videos in a CapCut PC. So don't select anything in this page and just select modify. And as you can see, there is a frame rate button, and you're just going to choose the frame rate you want your timeline to be. Select 60 frames. I'm going to be selecting 60 frames per second. You can also choose the resolution. I'm just going to select adapted and also the color space too, and I am just going to select save. And as you can see, the frame rate has changed, so when I export it, you can also change it to 60 frames per second here. And that is basically how you can change the frame rate of your videos on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!